Okay, so yesterday I think we have covered till 26.
25. 26 also I have told you. Okay, so we will start
From question number 27. Okay, these are some from 27 to last. These are some logical questions. Some good questions are there. So try to see all questions I am solving here. Question number 27. If in triangle ABC angle C equals to 90 degree and tan A equals to 3 by 4, prove that. Then we have to prove it. Sin A cos B plus cos A sin B is equals to 1. Okay, so this is the question. You can come there. You can come here. Fine. Okay. So see that first you draw a right triangle ABC. Okay, and right angle at C. So we will take this C and take any one A and this is B. Okay, so tan A is given. Tan A is 3 by 4. So according to this, tan A is P by B, right? So perpendicular is 3 and base is 4. Okay, you can find this hypotenuse. What will be? 5. So this is a simple one. Okay, so now you have to put these values only. Sin A from this triangle is P by H, that is 3 by 5, into cos B, B by H, that is 4 by 5, plus this is cos B. So for cos B, this thing we have to see that angles are different. This cos sin A, according to this we are taking, and cos B, so according to this angle we have to take. The cos is B upon H, so B is 3 here, so it will be 3 by 5. Cos A, for this B by H, 4 by 5. Into sin B, for this P by H, so P is 4 and 5. Okay, so it will be 3 is 9, 25 plus 16 by 25. So 25 by 25, so equals to 1. Okay, so the simple proof only. Just only put these values and we have to prove it. Done this? You have done this question? You should tell me this if you have done already. Okay, what about this question number 28? Done? Aksar? Done, no problem. Whole exercise done? 28. So shall I tell here? Okay, 28 I am explaining. Okay, it's having some more concept of similar triangle. Okay, so I am explaining both parts. So in question number 28, there is a concept of similar triangle. So similar triangle, actually this is in your 10th class that we will learn in detail, but some concept I am telling you about the similar triangles. So this is a right triangle ABC, right? And this is another right triangle PQR. Okay, so let's see, these two triangles are right, so they are similar. Similar triangles or similar figures are those which are having the same shape. Okay, but it's not a condition their size is same or not. If their size is same, it's okay. If size is different, then it's okay. For similar only, there's a condition that their shape is same. If these two are right triangle but their size is different but they are similar. And one thing is congruence that you have learned. For congruence, both things are there. Similar shape and similar size are there. And for similar, only one condition is there, that is the similar shape. So when two triangles are similar, then we can say that their ratio of their corresponding sides are always equal. Okay? When two figures or triangle we are talking about, when two triangles are similar, then their ratio of corresponding sides are equal. So what do you mean by corresponding side? Like this is the base, okay, this is the base. So these are the corresponding sides. Similarly, this is the hypotenuse, this is the hypotenuse. So these are the corresponding sides like this. These are corresponding sides. So if they are similar, means ABC is similar. This is a symbol of similar, PQR. Then we can take their ratios of corresponding sides. That is AB upon, we are taking this base, so we have to take the base of the other. AB upon PQ is equals to BC upon RQ, okay? And is equals to AC upon PR. So this is the first condition.
All ratios.
Yes. Ratios of their corresponding sides. This upon this equals to this upon this equals to this upon this. So sometimes if two triangles are similar, some sides are given and one variable is there. So by comparing the ratios, we can find that variable. The similar concept we have used here in this question, right? So this is the thing that we have to use here in this questions only. And rest are the concept of your trigonometry. So see here question number 28, part A. This is the right triangle. So this is the figure given here. Okay, so in the figure first given below, triangle ABC is right angled at B. See this triangle I am drawing again here. This is your ABC. Okay, this is right at B. And this one is 18 centimeter. And this is your 7.5 centimeter side, right? Okay, this is angle Y. This is the information in this triangle ABC. And triangle BRS is right angled at R. BRS, we are talking about BRS. So I am drawing this again here. BRS, right? Okay, this is the X. And this side is given only, that is 5 centimeter. Fine? I have drawn both the separately. If AB is equals to 18, that I have mentioned here, BC is 7.5, this is 18, this is 7.5, and RS, this one is 5 centimeter, and BSR, angle BSR, this is X degree, okay, and SAB, this is your SAB, Y degree, so this is also the part of this triangle, so this is Y degree, fine. Then find 10x degree. We have to find 10x. First thing 10x. And the second is sine y. Okay. Now see the figure. Both of you see here. We have to find this 10x. So x is here. Fine. So the value of 10 is P upon B. So from this figure, perpendicular is this one. This is not given. Base is given. So first step is to find this side. So how we find? By comparing the ratios of similar triangle. Both triangles are right. Are you getting my point or not? both triangles are right. Okay, so they are similar. So when they are similar, then the ratio of their corresponding sides is equal. So by using that logic, that concept, we will find RB. So see that RB, this is in this triangle, this is the base, okay, and this is the perpendicular. In this triangle, this is the base because x is here, this is the perpendicular. So we will compare this AB upon base, this is base, this is base. AB upon SR is equals to BC. BC is the perpendicular, and for this perpendicular is RB. BC upon RB. Now put these values. This is 80 and SR is 5 and BC is 7.5. Now find RB. So RB will be 5 into 7.5 by 18. So solve this, you will find RB. Okay. So what is RB coming? 6 is coming, right? Okay. So okay. So this is 6 centimeter now. Okay, so now you can find the value of 10x. 10x equals to P upon B, 6 by 5. Understood? Similarly, see this triangle y. This we have to find sine of y. For sine we need the hypotenuse. So you can find this hypotenuse.
The hypotenuse of AC or AS?
This one AC.
AC?
Haan.
18 is also.
Because this is given here, this is given here. If we talk about this triangle only, so we need this side as well. So, okay, so why we need that? We
the
just
hypotenuse of AS would be 13
हाँ
and of AC of calculate.
AC AS will be
13.
13. So and calculate this AC now. From this triangle you can calculate like AC square is equals to AB square plus BC square. So it will be 18 square plus 7.5 square. So calculate it and tell me what is the value of AC. Yes. This is coming 19.5. 19.5. Fine. So this is your 19.5, and now you have to find sine y. So sine y is equals to P upon H. So P is 7.5 here and H is 19.5. If it is divisible, you can divide this. Point will cancel out. 5 ones are 5, 2 is left, 5 5s are 25, 5 3s are 15, 5 9s are 45. Again 3 5s are 15, 3 1s are 3 3s are. So 5 by 13, sin y is equals to 5 by 13. This is your answer. Understood this? Okay, here only this is a concept of similar triangle, because actually the trigonometry is the syllabus of 10th class according to NCERT, and in 10th class the concept of similar triangle is there. Okay, so I have just discussed only one thing of similar triangle. There are some other things as well, some other ratios also that we will discuss in detail when we will teach this chapter similar triangle. Okay, here only the related things I have taken from this. So note down if you want to note it, or have you done this? So I will move to the next question. Yes, Gibran, understood this one? Okay. Any doubt you have to, you may ask, okay? Don't hesitate to ask anything. So here only there is the concept of similar triangle and just trigonometric ratios. Okay, now yes, which question you are asking? Acha, second part of this also, huh? In the figure second given below, triangle ABC is right angle at B and BD is perpendicular to AC. This is your right triangle ABC, and from here we are drawing the perpendicular. Okay, BD is the perpendicular here. Find cos angle CBD. We have to find first cos of angle CBD, and the second part cot of angle ABD. These two things we have to calculate only. Okay, so see this cos of CBD. CBD is CBD, the angle of this triangle. So I am just drawing both triangles separately first. This is your ABC. Fine. This is angle A, and here like this. Okay, this is D, C, and this is B. This is the 90-degree angle here. This is the base. Okay, and this one is the hypotenuse. This is the perpendicular. And what is given? This is 5. This is the hypotenuse. Hypotenuse 5 here. Okay. Huh? Okay, so this is the given condition only, huh? What are we saying? 5 by 13. 5 by 13.
Yes.
Which ratio?
Side ratio. Corresponding side ratio.
Achha, that we will talk later. First see this. Okay, these are the condition given only. So we have to find this cos of CBD. CBD, this one cos. For cos, B upon H. Okay, H is given but base is not given. So first thing we have to calculate this base. So how we will calculate this base? See that. First of all, we will find the hypotenuse of this main triangle. That is AC. Okay, so this is 5 given.
13.
So we will find this. It will comes to be 13. You know this. Pythagoras triplet. If it is 12, 5, then it comes to be 13. Now by using the similar triangle concept, we can find the ratio, we can find the side. So I told you that we have to take the corresponding sides. Okay, so see this triangle and this triangle. This is the base, this is the base. Okay, this is base here and here this is base, because the angle is forming with this side. This is the base and this one is perpendicular. This is hypotenuse and this is hypotenuse. So we need to find here which side? Cos. So B upon H. So base we need. Okay, so we will compare this with the base of this. So ABC is similar to BCD. Then we can write the ratios. AB is the base of first triangle. AB upon BD is equals to hypotenuse we are taking AC, and upon hypotenuse is BC. Fine. These are the corresponding sides. So AB is 12 here, and BD we have to find.